Hey everybody, and welcome back to Hayes Tech. My name is Dave Hayes, and of course this is the channel where we talk about pretty much anything tech. For those of you that's been following my channel for at least the last four or five videos, you know I purchased a DJI Mavic a while back, and I told you I had some accessories that I had ordered for it, and I actually did a video the other day showing some of those accessories. And yesterday I got another one of the accessories I ordered, and we're going to show you that in this video. Now what I ordered yesterday was a case for this drone, and this case is made specifically for the DJI Mavic Mini. As you guys can see it right now. I've got other cameras pointing at my little desk, and as you all can see, here is the case right here. And when we come back, I'm going to go ahead and show you this case that I ordered from Amazon. So don't go away. And as always, if you liked my video, don't forget to hit that like button and share my videos. It really helps me out. And if you're new to the channel and you like what you saw, think about subscribing. And if you subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell icon. That way you get a notification of my videos as soon as I release them. Now, I did order this case from Amazon, and the good thing about it is this case only cost me about $35, and I will put the link in the video description below. So if you are interested in picking up one of these cases, the link will be down below, and feel free, to use the link. I do not have an Amazon affiliate link, so I don't make any money off of this. Basically, I'm going to give you my thoughts on this case and tell you whether or not I think it's worth purchasing. Whether or not you guys go out and get one yourself is up to you. And I think the name on this is actually kind of like a generic name. This case does come from China, but it is a very well put together case. I'm going to make this video as short as I possibly can because it's just a case. Alright, let's go ahead and have a look at it. The first thing I wanted to bring up is there are holes in the top where you can actually put padlocks in it, okay? As I was saying, it has holes in the top, so you can actually put, padlocks through it, and they actually advertise this case as almost indestructible, and it is waterproof. It's called I'm not going to try to pronounce it. It's P-E-M-A-L-I-N. That's the name of it, and the price actually is $37.99. So I was pretty close with $38. Again, it is waterproof, and the DJI logo comes with the case, but it is not on the case. So if you want the DJI logo on your case, you got to peel the back off and actually stick it on yourself. And I guess I can see why they do it, because they don't want to brand name it DJI and you guys, think that it's a DJI product. So that's why they do that. Now, I did put the sticker on here. That way I know that this is a case for my DJI Mavic Mini. Of course, that's the only drone I own, but anyways. Now, we're going to go ahead and open it. Again, it has two really nice locks on it. Now, what's nice is you could pretty much fit anything that you wanted to fit in here that goes with your Mavic Mini. Of course, you guys can see right there is the Mavic Mini. I do carry, of course, the charging cable in here as well. This compartment is in case you order one of the DJI Mavic battery chargers, where you can plug 3 batteries into the charger, plug it in, and it will charge all 3 batteries up one at a time. And it picks the one with the most amount of battery charge in it first, and it fills that one up. Then it goes to the next highest battery that's filled up, and so on. But that is what this hole is for. What's really nice is it actually has slots for 3 batteries. So if you had 4 batteries, you could have one in the drone, and you could actually carry 3 spare batteries on these side pouches. Now, since I only have 1 spare battery, I put it in the hole here, and I'm using my other pockets for carrying extra blades, props, and a little screwdriver and extra controller handles and stuff like that. Plus the feet I have for it, I put in this pocket back here. Now, I'm not 100% sure what this pocket is for, other than carrying extra, items like that. But, there it is. And then last but not least, the controller fits over here. Now, I do have the cable plugged into the controller, and it actually fits down in this case. And it is waterproof. It's got a seal around the lid where it snaps shut, and it keeps everything completely watertight. It's also supposed to be shockproof, so if you're going to take it on the airline, the way they handle your luggage, it's definitely going to protect it from that as well. You can also get this case in the color that you see it here, which is fluorescent orange, or you can get it in black. I kind of like the orange, and so that's the one I went with. Now, it has two very heavy latches on the front, and if you look right here and here, those are places where you can actually put padlocks, and it's definitely secure enough that the airlines can beat the hell out of it, and they're not going to hurt it. Oh, and by the way, this thing came with this. Now, that is that package that you get in pretty much everything that says, "Do not eat, poison." But my God, my granddaughter actually picked that up and said, "Oh, Pap, what is that, candy?" And it is completely in Chinese. There is no English at all on this package. I think that's crazy. You would think something that's coming into the United States would have to have English on it if it was, that dangerous. At least the word poison written out in English. I'm just saying. So we're gonna get rid of that right now. Now, the one thing that I didn't like is I wish that the case lid actually flipped all the way back. I think if it would flip all the way back, it would just be easier to access everything in here. But if I only had to give one ding, that would be the ding that I would ding it on. That right there. Other than that, it's pretty nice. It's smaller than what I thought it was going to be, but a lot bigger than what you get when you order the DJI Mavic Mini zip pouch that you get, from DJI, and it's cheaper than that pouch that you would get from DJI, or about the same amount of money. The only thing is this thing here is made to take abuse, and the case you get, that you purchase from DJI to carry this Mavic Mini in, it is not meant to take any kind of abuse at all, and it is not waterproof. This is advertised as 100% waterproof, not water resistant, waterproof. It's got a big thick rubber O-ring around here, and when you put these two latches down and lock them in, it actually pulls it down and sucks it nice and tight. If you go to the Amazon link, and if you actually read the descriptions on it, it talks about the watertight seals on it, and it's really cool how they did everything. Now, they show a little pocket in it up here. I didn't see a pocket in it unless they meant for you to slice it, and put a pocket in it that way. I don't know, but I will put the link in the video description below if you are interested in getting this. It comes in two colors. It comes in this orange color that you see right here, and it comes in black. Those are the two colors. Now, everything in this case fits really snug, not overly snug. Now, I do know that some of the cases that you purchase for your DJI drone, they were having problems with it screwing up the props. Even the one from DJI was messing, like, it would do something with the props, bend it or something. That way, and when you took it out and flew your DJI, after using the case several times, you would start getting prop faults, and it would tell you, change this prop, change that prop. I noticed that it fits snug when it slides down in, but there's enough room in the top and the bottom that I don't see where it's going to press against and hurt the props at all. Everything else fits snugly. This is where your controller goes. This pouch right here, I'm guessing, is for putting your wires, your charging wires, your connecting wires, things like that. I'm using the extra battery holes because I don't have 4 batteries. I'm using those for my extra props and my extra screw-on controllers for the controller pad itself. I don't think there's much more that I can go over on this case. I mean, it's just the case. But I did want to say that it's just very, very sturdy. I like it. It's not really super heavy. I'll tell you, the snaps are, you've got to put some muscle behind them to get them to snap. But once they're snapped, they're there. And like I said, it's got a little bit of weight to it, which I like. Nothing shakes. So it definitely keeps everything nice and tight and secure. Now, I did want to talk about would I recommend it. And so far, from what I can tell, I'm seeing nothing but quality in the case. Now, is it a $300 or $400 Pelican type case, and does it have the quality that you're going to get if you was to purchase a Pelican case made for a DJI Mavic Mini? No, absolutely not. This thing costs $38, and you're getting $38 worth of quality. But in my opinion, for that $38, you're getting a ton of product for $38. It to me, again, seems very well built. You know, I don't like the idea that there are these pins in here. You know, you would think that they would be a little heavier with like bolts or something, but it seems to be pretty strong from what I can see. And again, it's got some weight to it. I like the fact that it came with the DJI sticker that you can put on it again, and it just lets everybody know what it is. Now, this little thing right here, I think that is something that has to do with letting air out but not letting water in. I think it has to do with moisture or something like that. Don't quote me on that. I tried to find out what that was on the Amazon site, you know, reading all that I could read on it, and I couldn't find anything out on that. But again, other than that, I really do like it, and for $38, I can highly recommend it. You got to think about it. If you purchase a case from DJI, you're going to get basically a heavy canvas zip bag. That's all you're getting. And it is definitely not waterproof. Not in the least. You drop your DJI case along with your drone and everything in a mud puddle, it's getting wet. This you can carry out in the rain. You can take it with you to the beach. If it gets wet, you don't have to worry about it. Now, of course, I would dry it off before I opened it, so nothing splashed in on the motor, but there you go. Alright, everybody, I did promise I was going to keep this video nice and short. I hope you got some information out of it, and if you have any questions, remember to post below. I do pride myself in still being able to answer everybody's questions that they have on every one of my videos. Now, it's been getting kind of tough lately, just because I've been getting a lot of comments on a lot of my videos because of the whole virus issue going on. People are at home watching YouTube videos, and wow, have my videos been really getting a lot of viewership. I would love it if the people that's been watching my videos would subscribe. That would be awesome. I did want to bring something else up. Right now I am almost at 3,000 subscribers, and when I hit that 5,000 subscriber mark, I'm going to have a really nice giveaway. I plan on giving my Canon T6i away when I hit the 5,000 subscriber mark. So, you know, tell your friends. You know, the sooner I get to 5,000 subs, the sooner I'm going to have that giveaway. And my T6i is a pretty nice camera. I just don't use it anymore. I have my M50, I have my 90D, you know, and I have my Sony Handycam over here. To be honest with you, between my 90D and my Sony Handycam, I really don't use any other cameras. I don't even use my GoPro very much anymore, but we're using it here, kind of, you know, like my B-roll shots and stuff like that. So, all right, I've kept you guys long enough. Again, I can highly recommend this case, and if anything should happen between now and whenever, I will be sure to post below any kind of issues I have with this case. If you're new to the channel and you like what you saw, think about subscribing, and I just want to thank all of you out there who have subscribed to me. I really do appreciate it. That's pretty much all I have, and I will see you guys on the next one.